Let me guess. You can't sleep.
Enough of that. If you can't sleep, let's grab some essential oils. Everyone says essential oils can help with sleep, but what does that really mean? Oils like lavender and chamomile have proven to be effective for sleep at night. You can put them to work for you. You're going to need a 25-ounce cup like a vodka bottle. Add in 10 drops of chamomile or lavender depending on your preference. Give it a shake or a stir, and you've got yourself a base of a Sleepy Time spray. Spray this in your room before bed and let us know how you sleep. We'll see you tomorrow.